Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn social science of class 6. Chapter 3, Latitudes and Longitudes. Imaginary line on a globe. There are two imaginary lines on a globe, that is latitude or parallels and longitude or meridian. As you can see in this picture, one picture is latitude and another one shows longitude. Let's start with latitudes. What are latitudes? Latitudes are a set of imaginary horizontal lines that run from east to west across the globe. Or we can say the circular line midway between the North Pole and South Pole called equator. It is a fixed reference lines for latitudes. These imaginary horizontal lines run parallel to each other. Equator is the longest parallel latitude. Features of latitude. There are 180 parallel of latitudes, 90 to the north and 90 to the south of the equator. Each parallel of latitude is a complete circle. The parallels are equidistant except at the poles, where the distance is little more than it is near the equator. Last, latitudes are of unequal length. The equator is the longest latitude and each circle became a smaller ring poleward till the circle are mere points as 90° north and 90° south. Important lines of latitude, or we can say important latitude. Equator at 0°, Tropic of Cancer at 23½ north, Tropic of Capricorn at 23½ degrees south, Arctic Circle at 66½ north, Antarctic Circle at 66½ south, North Pole at 90°, South Pole at 90° S. Heat zone. What is heat zone? The entire Earth can be divided into three climatic or heat zones depending upon the temperature and rainfall received in area within those zones. The latitude mentioned in the table demarcates certain zones of similar temperature conditions and divided the world into three heat zones. Torrid Zone, Temperate Zone, Frigid Zone. Let's see Torrid Zone. This heat zone is spread between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. The sun's rays fall directly on it, making the area extremely hot and humid. The word torrid means hot. Temperate zone. This heat zone lies between the Arctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere and the Arctic Circle and the Tropic of Capricorn in the south hemisphere. This region enjoys a moderate climate which is neither too hot nor too cold. The word temperate means moderate. This zone has moderate temperature as sun rays slant a little. Frigid zone. This leads zone lies between the Arctic Circle and North Pole in the northern hemisphere and in the southern hemisphere. It lies between Antarctic Circle and South Pole. It is The rays falls here at an extreme slant and hardly rise above the horizon. As a result, the region remains cold throughout the year, especially in winter. The word frigid means cold. Longitudes. Longitudes are a set of semicircular imaginary lines that runs from north to south all around the globe. Longitudes are imaginary circular lines that runs from north to south pole on the surface of the globe. These sets of vertical lines cut latitudes at right angles. They are also called meridians. Features of longitude. Longitudes are semicircle of equal length, unlike latitudes. There are 360 latitudes, 180 to the east of prime meridian and 180 to the west. Two coinciding latitudes will make a great circle, like 30° east and 150° west will form a great circle. The distance between two meridians does not remain constant. They are furthest apart at the equator and converge at the pole. International date line. The meridian 180° east and the meridian 180° west is one and the same. It is known as international date line. Like all longitude, it is an imaginary line. 180° east and west is the same meridian and is simply called meridian of 180°. This line is drawn in a zigzag manner and deviated at places on maps so that it does not cut through any island or cause confusion of dates in one country. That's all for today. Have a good day. Have a nice day.